Hello and welcome to Master of Finance, your go-to channel for simple, honest, and powerful financial guidance. Before we dive into today's topic, I want to ask for your support. If you enjoy learning how to take control of your money, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with friends who are curious about investing. You're not just helping us, you're helping more people grow financially. Thank you. Now let's talk about something that stops a lot of people from starting their investment journey. I don't have enough money to invest. Here's the truth. You don't need a lot of money to start investing. What you really need is consistency, patience, and a long-term mindset. Let's break it down step by step. 1. Start small, but start now. Even if you can only set aside $10 or $25 a month, that's enough to begin. Thanks to fractional shares and micro-investing platforms, you can invest in stocks, ETFs, and even crypto with very little. 2. Set clear goals. Are you saving for retirement? A house? An emergency fund? Knowing your why gives purpose to your investment plan. 3. Choose beginner-friendly tools. Apps like Robinhood, Acorns, or Fidelity let you open accounts with no or low minimums. Some even offer automatic investing based on your goals. 4. Focus on low-cost, diversified options. Instead of trying to pick the next hot stock, consider investing in index funds or ETFs. They spread your money across many companies and reduce risk. 5. Make it a habit. Set up automatic transfers every month, no matter the amount. Investing consistently, even in small amounts, builds momentum and discipline. 6. Reinvest your earnings. Don't take out your gains. Let dividends and growth compound over time. This is where the magic happens. 7. Keep learning. You don't need to be an expert to start, but the more you learn, the more confident you become. Watch videos like this one, read books, and follow trusted sources. And remember, time in the market is more powerful than timing the market. If you found this helpful, drop a comment below. What's the first thing you want to invest in? I'd love to hear your plans. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who thinks they need a fortune to get started. Thanks for watching Master of Finance, where smart money habits begin, no matter your income.